What is diatomaceous earth? How to use diatomaceous earth in gardening? Hello friends. Welcome to Gardener's Gardening. Diatomaceous earth is a truly amazing natural product that can help you grow a beautiful and healthy garden. Diatomaceous earth is made from fossilized water plants and is a naturally occurring siliceous sedimentary mineral compound from the remains of algae-like plants diatoms. The plants have been part of Earth's ecology system dating back to prehistoric times. The chalky deposits the diatoms left are called diatomite. Diatomaceous earth is a mineral-based pesticide and its composition is approximately 3% magnesium, 5% sodium, 2% iron, 19% calcium, and 33% silicon, along with other traces of minerals. Use food-grade diatomaceous earth in garden. The uses for diatomaceous earth are many, but in the garden, it can be used as an insecticide. It works to get rid of insects such as aphids, thrips, ants, mites, cockroaches, and slugs and snails. To these insects, diatomaceous earth is a lethal dust with microscopic sharp edges that cut through their protective covering and dries them out. Insects have no way to build up a resistance to it. Diatomaceous earth will not harm the worms or any beneficial microorganisms in the soil. As with any pesticide, be sure to read the label thoroughly and follow the directions thereon. The directions will include in the pack about how to properly apply the diatomaceous earth both in the garden and for the indoor plants for the control of many insects. A great time to dust application of diatomaceous earth for your plants is just after a light rain or in the very early morning when the dew is upon the foliage, as it helps the dust to stick well to the foliage. Other way is to spray application of diatomaceous earth. Mix ratio is usually 2 cups of diatomaceous earth per gallon of water. 1 gallon means about 4 liters of water. Stir it to mix the diatomaceous earth powder with the water. Diatomaceous earth is thought to kill insects by dehydrating them or drying them out. Gardeners are often given the advice to sprinkle diatomaceous earth around plants to deter pests. Slugs and snails do not like to crawl over diatomaceous earth because the silica skeletons are very sharp like broken glass. If their soft bodies do get cut, they eventually dehydrate and die. This process works on other soft-bodied insects too, including caterpillars and aphids. If pests are eating the leaves of your plants, you can dust the leaves with diatomaceous earth powder, which should discourage further damage. However, you should avoid applying diatomaceous earth near the flowers, where honeybee or butterfly-like pollinators might come into contact with this powder, which will be not good. When using diatomaceous earth powder, it is recommended to wear eye protection and a dust mask, as the small particle can be irritating. It might feel soft to the touch like talcum powder, but it still can cause irritation to your eyes, nose, lungs and throat. So, while handling it, just be on the safe side. Food-grade diatomaceous earth is not toxic if ingested in small quantities. Diatomaceous earth does not harm the soil. Rain can wash it into local water sources, but it is non-toxic to fish and other aquatic life. It is not harmful to birds or other wildlife. Diatomaceous earth is used for garden pest control and reduces the need for chemical pesticides, which is good for our environment too. Use a light touch. When applying diatomaceous earth to plants, too much dust can make it hard for plants to photosynthesis. It can be applied by hand or by applicator. So, use diatomaceous earth powder in your gardening activity to keep pests away from your garden. If this video is useful to you, remember to like it. Share with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Take good care of your green friends and make sure they stay happy. God bless you, and thanks for your time.